Hey, what's going down? So, this is my suitcase. It's one of my favourite travel suitcase, hand luggage ones. Okay, as you can see, it's a bit battered. But do you know what? There's nothing wrong with it, right? Well, there is one thing. One thing. Can you guess what's wrong with it, right? Basically, all the times it's been through airport security and everything like that, the combination lock, which is here, you know, it's been screwed, right? It's like can't remember the digits, and and it's like I can't remember what digits are, but it don't register when I put digits in, right? So yeah, bit of an issue when you go through security and they ask you to open up your suitcase and the combination that you got in there doesn't work, right? So yeah, happens as like people throw your luggage around in the airport and everything like that when you check luggage. But yeah, it's one of my favourite suitcases. It's nice and light. I got it free with a bottle of Shivaz in duty free my last trip to Delhi. So anyway, so I thought I'm gonna throw the suitcase away. But then I thought, nah, do you know what? I'll actually see if I can actually get this lock changed. Right, it's a decent suitcase. It's nice and light. Yeah, it's less than 2 kilos. Empty. It's got it's got wheels. It's got a strap. It's got a pulley thing on it. So it's a fairly decent suitcase. So I was like, boom, I can change the lock. So basically, what you do, you open it up. It's a decent suitcase. It's got a zip in there and everything. Unzip it. So yeah, cool. So as you can see, Shibaz suitcase, pretty nice one. So underneath, in the side where the combination lock was, okay, it's got his like little lining in it. Right, you just unzip the lining like so, which I've already done. I'm gonna do it again. So you just unzip the lining. Okay, take it all out. And basically, when you unzip the lining, eventually when it opens up, shove that underneath there. When you unzip the lining, you see 2 screws, right, where the combination lock was. Now, this bit here, okay, this bit here, it was there, okay, where the screws are. Okay, 2 Phillips head screws, which are here. Okay, just screwdriver, unscrew that thing, and the whole thing will come out. Okay, so get rid of that. So here it is. Yeah, and the whole thing will come out. Then you can order another one of these from eBay, the combination things. And yeah, re-screw it back in, and that's it. You saved yourself about 50-70 quid on the cost of a suitcase for what is most probably a parts less than a £5. Cool. Hope that helps.